Shifting focus back in India and to the financial capital. 6 people were killed and over 30 were injured after a foot-over bridge near Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus railway station in Mumbai collapsed. An FIR has now been registered against the BMC and railways for causing deaths due to negligence. The incident took place at 7:20 p.m. after a large chunk of the bridge caved in. NDRF teams swung into action immediately and were withdrawn at about 10:30 p.m. in the night. A structural audit of the bridge conducted few months ago recommended many repairs to the bridge but was ignored by the BMC under whom the bridge in fact falls. The Devendra Fadnavis government has announced a compensation of 5 lakh rupees for each family of the deceased. Traffic has now been diverted to Mahanagar Palika towards Metro Junction in wake of the collapse. The CST bridge collapse comes 2 years and after 23 people were killed in a stampede near a foot-over bridge in Elphinstone Road. In fact, remember, this is the second bridge collapse in the last 8 months in Mumbai.
Mumbai is starting afresh this morning. Himalaya Bridge is behind us. It fell last night, killing 6 people and 31 people injured. On the right-hand side is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, from where now people who are going for work are trickling down. This bridge, which was a very heavily used one, is empty. People are standing there and thanking their fortune that they were not the people who were killed in this bridge. Who are the people responsible? Why were only minor repairs suggested? All this only remains a question. But the point remains that this was a divider which is now being broken so for people to cross. But before this, it was only this bridge which led people to their offices. With camera person Raju Revankar, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
मैं जितना टैक्स लेते उतना लोगों को सेवा नहीं देती और वो स्ट्रक्चरल ऑडिट पहले होना चाहिए था लेकिन हुआ नहीं. पहले हुआ तो इतना दुर्घटना नहीं होती ऐसा मेरे को लगता है.
It was 7:20 p.m. when the 40-year-old bridge caved in near the CST station, leading to chaos. In a few minutes, fire brigade rescue teams were rushed to get rid of the debris. There is a detailed report on how this uncalled for tragedy unfolded.
Tragedy strikes Maximum City again. A large chunk of a foot-over bridge at the Chhatrapati Shivaji terminal collapses, trapping scores of people who had no clue of the lurking danger above them. What followed was mayhem. People lay drenched in blood. A car crushed by a falling piece of concrete was evidence of the impact. That the accident took place during peak rush hour meant there were casualties, many of them.
I saw a little bit of debris of pieces of falling from top. So I just little like further came, something might have fallen from top, some carry bag or something. People will be throwing off now. So then when I was just approaching nearer to that, I saw the big pieces of debris are falling from top.
People frantically searched for their dear ones. The St. George Hospital, where the victims were taken, put up a board listing the names of those admitted. The rescue operation was over in little more than an hour, and the area was cleared of the debris. India Today was the first to reach the spot.
ये वो स्लैब है, ये वो सेंटर पुलिस का स्लैब है जो बिल्कुल नीचे आ गया और शाम के वक्त यहाँ करीब 50 से 60 लोग थे जो अपने ऑफिस की तरफ जा रहे थे और जैसे ही ये उनके बीच में ज्यादा प्रेशर पड़ा तो ये पूरा स्लैब नीचे आ गया. 15 से 20 लोग घायल हुए हैं. पुलिस को यहाँ पर आने में, फायर ब्रिगेड की यहाँ पर गाड़ियों को आने में थोड़ी सी तकलीफ हो गई क्योंकि पीक ट्रैफिक सीजन था. ये वही ब्रिज है जो कि प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 1 की तरफ जाता है.
How could such a huge chunk fall off just like that, leaving a gaping hole in the 35 feet high overbridge is a mystery. An even bigger mystery is the apathy of the BMC. India's richest civic body responsible for the maintenance of the bridge used by thousands of train passengers is guilty of criminal negligence. A recent safety audit had recommended some minor repairs, which were clearly not executed by the BMC. What would embarrass the BMC further is the fact that the ill-fated bridge is barely steps away from its own headquarters. The Maharashtra government has now assured quick action.
जो इसमें जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है उनके परिवारों को 5 लाख रुपया मदद दी जाएगी, जो जख्मी है उनको 50,000 रुपया मदद दी जाएगी.
The accident comes nearly 2 years after the Elphinstone Bridge collapse that killed 23 people. Mumbai clearly has not learnt its lessons. Human life comes cheap in the city that prides itself to be the commercial capital of India. With Pankaj Upadhyay, Mustafa Sheikh, Kamlesh Sutar, Vidya and Divyesh Nair in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.